Today you get two things: insights from an incredibly thoughtful data professional, as well as a chance to win something you never knew you needed. This Zoom remote allows you to easily, as well as turn off your camera on command. Care to win one? Stick around to see how. Hello, data folks, and welcome to the Standout Data Show, where we share tips and tricks on how to drive more impact with data. Today, we'll hear from someone with 10 plus years experience in data. She's a Canada native, she's the head of data at Clearbit, and she's hiring. Please welcome Julie Beynon.
Hey, Parker, thank you for having me.
Thank you. Julie, what is something that you and your data team have implemented recently that you're proud of?
When we talk about a team, it's maybe not the way that you see a standard team. So I see myself as part of the marketing team.
Okay.
And so what we've been able to most recently implement, we launched a new website. This new website change, despite really communicating what we wanted, also had other issues that, performance and some of our key KPIs were down. And because of the way that we worked together and the way that data was able to get to the right people at the right time, we identified that within, a really short period of time, turned it around so that it didn't impact our end quarter numbers. And so that's the most recent work of data and a team collectively using data to immediately solve a problem that impacted the bottom line.
And here's a fun one. What's a bad habit that you've learned to break as a data professional?
Try to avoid, I think, is a better.
Yes.
Sometimes you can assume you know the answer, and you lose that curiosity that you have when you're new. And so I think the bad habit that people that have maybe worked at a company for a while or been doing it for a while, they sort of jump to the end or assume that they know the answer without asking all the questions. And that's usually leads to additional revisions, miscommunications, logic not really exactly meeting the needs. So it's the assuming you know more than you do.
I love that. And last question, what's your advice for hiring data professionals in this competitive market?
I'd love some. I think it's about being kind of forward thinking and not making data a overhead department. So data can be used operationally, data can be used as part of the marketing, data can be used as part of the sales, as part of your operations. And so getting cool and inventive ways of using data that are pre-sales, pre-lead versus just the insights, the reporting that's after the fact. I think having more projects like that is an exciting way to bring on new data talent because you can get people that maybe don't have a purely data background, maybe marketing operations, revenue operations, and also it's just a lot of fun to build stuff.
Julie, thanks again for joining us. She's quite simply the best. And if you're a data professional looking for a new gig, please reach out to her on LinkedIn. As promised, we're randomly choosing 5 people for our Zoom remote. Want to win one? Use a controller emoji in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow Census for more tips and tricks on how to stand out in your data career. And get more giveaways.